The Voice of Rain is a poem by Walt Whitman and was published in his collection Leaves of Grass in 1867. The poem is a celebration of the natural world and the power of rain to bring about renewal and transformation. The poem begins with the speaker describing the sound of rain as it falls on the earth. The rain is personified as a voice that speaks to the speaker, whispering words of wisdom and understanding. The rain is described as a soft falling shower that brings life and motion to the world. As the poem continues, the speaker reflects on the transformative power of rain. The rain is described as a force that can wash away the old and bring in the new. The speaker compares the rain to a prophet who brings a message of hope and renewal. In the final stanza, the speaker concludes that the rain is a symbol of the divine. The rain is described as a manifestation of the Great Spirit that animates the world. The rain is seen as a source of inspiration and enlightenment, capable of awakening the soul to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Overall, the Voice of Rain is a celebration of the beauty and power of nature. Through the imagery of rain and its transformative power, Whitman encourages readers to see the world as a source of inspiration and enlightenment.